once again.
Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Amreen Rafi, Max YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell button. Class 10 Max Lesson 2 Polynomial Exercise 2.2. The question number first one, second one. Here the quadratic polynomial, what they are given? 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So now we can start to do the sum. Here the quadratic equation is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So we can split 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Now we can splitting method we can use 1 4s are 4. So listen here 4. So which two number if you multiply answer want to come 4. If you add that two number the answer want to come middle number. What is the middle number? Minus 4. So what is the possibility? 1 4s are 4. Otherwise 2 2s are 4. Which one can we take? 1 4s are 4 if you take. If you multiply you will get answer. But if you add or subtract you will never get this answer. So we can reject this. We can consider 2 1 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2. Both 2 you are adding you will get 4. So here minus they are given. So both side you can write minus. So minus into minus plus 4. So 4s square minus 4s plus 1. This 4s square you are writing as it is. Minus 4s only you split this 2. So minus 2 2 they are given. So we can write minus 2s again minus 2s. The last constant term we can write as it is plus 1. So in this which is common? 4 also coming 2 table and 2 also coming 2 table. 4 we can write 2 into 2. So in this first two term 2 is common and s also common. So for instead of 1 2 I written, so remaining 1 2 I am writing inside, and 2 s square means 2s. So 1s I written, another s I am writing inside. So minus 2s I written outside, there is no term, we will write 1. Now here there is no terms are common, no numbers are common. So minus we can take it commonly. So minus 1 we can write, see 2s minus 1. So in this bracket what number you are getting, the same number only have to appear the next bracket also. For this I rearrange and write down like that. So in this minus I am taken commonly, you multiply and check minus into 2s minus 2s minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. I hope you understand. Now bracket numbers we can write outside, 2s minus 1, the remaining is 2s minus 1. Now we can find out the zeros. 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 2s equal to minus 1 we can transfer that side, you will get 1. Then s equal to 1 divided by 2. So 1 0 we found, s equal to 1 by 2. Another 0 we can take another one. 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly the same answer you will get, s equal to 1 divided by 2. So first 0 I consider as alpha. Alpha equal to 1 divided by 2. The second 0 I consider as beta. So beta equal to 1 divided by 2. So first step I found the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Next step is verification. Now we can verify. Now I am writing the formula. First formula is what? Sum of zeros. What is the formula for sum of zeros? You know very well, minus b by a. So sum of 0 means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So from the question I am writing alpha value is 1 divided by 2 and beta value also 1 divided by 2. Your quadratic equation 4s square minus 4s plus 1. In this a equal to 4 coefficient of s square, b equal to minus 4 coefficient of s, and c equal to constant term 1. So this answer we need. Now I am listen here, sum of 0 minus b by a, instead of alpha I am writing 1 by 2 plus instead of beta also I am writing 1 by 2 equal to minus b. Instead of b I will write minus 4 divide by a. Instead of a I will write 4. So 1 by 2 half and half you are adding, you will get 1. 4 4 we can cancel one time. So minus into minus plus plus 1. So 1 equal to 1. So sum of 0 is verified. Next we can verify the product of zeros. Product of 0 equal to C divided by A. What is the formula for product of 0? Alpha into beta equal to C by A. Alpha what we consider 1 by 2 and beta what we consider 1 divided by 2 equal to C. C value is 1 and A value is 4. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 you multiply, numerator we can multiply, denominator we can multiply. 1 into 1, 1, 2 2s are 4 equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. So sum of zeros also we are verified. Product of zeros also verified. Then we can write hence verified. That's all. Hence verified.